Let them ano, first engage. Wait. Maatras sila. Dadun ta sa choke ko. Ready guard drone na. Pag makita ganun yung mukha na. Natay defensive guard drone na. Naputay offensive. Wait. Chill lang. Go north, guys.
Nibaba sila diri sa hill.
Go north. Come.
Holding sila diri sa choke.
Come with me.
Holding sila diri sa choke.
Okay. Come with me. Pistining markat.
I-hook na ko isa.
Come with me. Ready lang ang mga depth tank ka. Okay, nata sa uphill. Wait.
In your position.
Okay.
Mag-hook ko isa.
Nagbedrock na. Wait. Ano ka? Fake rin. Fake rin. Wait. Chill.
Shallow, we can shallow.
Yeah. Okay. Fake. It's a fake. Wait lang. Chill. Ready ano? Push sila. Ready gigabats. On the choke. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke lang. Asaw DPS. Oh my god. Go back. Go west.
Ready na sila.
Pag-spread mo DPS.
Ready na sila. Kailangan sila pang cooldown.
5 seconds.
Yeah. We're good. Ready depth tank. Depth tank. Sa ano depth tank? Front mo. Front
Spirit
mo depth
ready.
tank. Okay. Let them
Shallow,
ano.
i-def tank. Sila ala kabum. Kay dagad
Okay.
sila def tank.
Sige.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop at DPS.
Wait lang.
Holding sila sa choke.
Wait. Hindi sila shallow. Hindi. Sa depth tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dagdag. On me. Go. Execute. Wala. Okay. We're good. On point. More on point. Ano, DPS. Zach, pwede ka ba kanong Zach? Oh, wait. Kaya ba? Ganyan sila. Oh my God. Push. Pakistop ko. On me guys. 5, 4, 3, 2 lang. Shallow lang. On the choke. Ito. Late carving. Go west lang. Wait. Spread lang. Ready defensive.
Natulak na ko.
Wait. Wala. Pastop ko sa ano. Wait. Una choke guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Una choke. Heal me. Una choke. Nice. Pastop ko. Push in, guys. Push lang. Keep pushing.
Likod.
Meron sa likod,
West
meron sa
side,
likod.
enemy. You need to push. Do not go.
Another.
Bomb squad sa likod. Logo mamatay ha.
Go south, please. Go south.
Ready.
Another south. Another
Go
south.
Discounted na ko.
Keep going south.
Namatay Enox.
Keep going south.
Tulokabok namatay.
Keep going south.
Namatay ko sa bam. Yan ang bam.
Mount.
Namatay ko sa nang bam. Wala akong skill.
Teka, halaga na eh.